guys, it's Tuesday. So remember, last time we were multiplying with 1 or 0. Today we're going to be multiplying with 3. Okay, I think that's our next one, isn't it? Yep, I think so. Okay, and so we're going to draw some jumps of 3 to solve the equations. Remember that these are called factors, and your answer is called your product. So how many times do we have to jump by 3? Yeah, 9 times. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Another 3. Another 3. Another 3. Another 3. 2, 3. Another 3. 1, 2, 3. Another 3. Oh my goodness, how many do we have? And I know I'm going fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 7 hops so far. Okay. 1, 2, 3. There's 8 hops. 1, 2, 3. 9 hops. So what is our answer? Good. 27. And I know I did that super fast. You're going to be able to do that on your own, okay? I just wanted to show you how to do these. Down here, you're going to skip count by 3s, and you may absolutely use the number line if you would like to. So we started at 3. We hopped to what? 6. What was our next hop? 9. Good. And so on and so forth, okay? Remember, on this part down here, this is where you're going to do the array, okay? So you're going to do 3 rows with 1 in each row. So here's 1 row of 1, another row of 1, and another row of 1. And does it work? Does the trick that I showed you last time work? 1 times a factor is always going to be that factor. 1 group of 3, right? 1, 3. See that? So this one, without even doing, oh no, whoopsies, this one isn't a 1. Whoopsies. No, we're going to have to do the array on this one. Okay, here we go. 3 rows with 5 in each. Okay, so here's 1 row of 5, 2 rows of 5, 3 rows of 5, and then you're going to get your answer. Okay? All right, I think you guys will do okay on that one. On the back, you're going to do some more arrays, okay? And we're going to do some more skip counting. And then down here at the very, very bottom of this one, it says color each even number red, color each odd number blue. So remember, even Steven, he always has a friend. So he always is able to split it up equally. And remember, odd Owen, he's so sad because he always gets left out because he doesn't have a buddy, right? Now, do I need to look at this whole huge number, 789? Do I need to go, okay, 1, no, and go all the way through and make sure all those numbers have a buddy? No, I can look at the last number, right? The number in the ones place. Okay, so 9. Let's see. Is there any way to split up 9 so that they all have a buddy? Well, let's see. 6 and 3. Nope. What about 5 and 4? Oh, nope. So this guy's going to be odd Owen, poor guy, and you're going to color him in blue. Okay? This one's a little tricky. 0. If I have 0 cookies, can I share 0 with a friend? And we both have 0? Uh-huh. So don't get stumped by this one. 0, that is even, okay? Because we both get nothing. Kind of a sad day, but we both are getting the same amount, right? Okay. Going to the doctor is going to be the reading that you're going to do today. And on this one, you get to put the events in order by writing 1 through 5, okay, in the box. And then if you want to, you can color it if you so desire. I think there's a few words in here that might get you a little stumped up. Let's see. So infection. An infection is when you get sick and it gets germs in there. So that's what an infection is, okay? And then this word here, this word has a PH in the front, and PH, as you remember, can make a f sound sometimes. So this one is pharmacy, pharmacy. And the pharmacy is where you go to get your medicine, okay? All right. This page, you're going to put ER or EST. But you can't just put it in willy-nilly because you're comparing. So look at this one. It's comparing two people, Jason and Luke. Would it make sense to say Jason runs fastest than Luke? No. When we're comparing two things, we use faster, because we're comparing two things. Okay, but when we're comparing more than two things, we would use est. Or if we want to say that it's the most, then we would say est. So I will use the cleaner or cleanest glass. Which one would you use? Yeah, the cleanest. And I know I'm even having a hard time squeezing it in there, so that's okay if you do too. All right. A highway is wider or widest than a street. Look at, they're comparing two things, highways and streets. So yeah, that one would be ER. I found the nice card from my grandmother. The nicer card or the nicest? Which one would you do for your grandma? Yeah, the nicest. Okay, and make sure you put the root there. I'm just doing it kind of fast. Okay? And then down here, you're going to write the spelling word that best completes the sentence, okay? And remember, your list is on that other page, so don't forget that. Oh, and sometimes this happens, and I love it when it does. Look at what our adjectives are today. ER, EST. Isn't that funny how that worked out? Our spelling words and our language work all are going over the same thing. So I'll bet you're going to do really good on these. Add ER when comparing two. Add EST when comparing more than two. So just like you did on your spelling work, you're going to draw a box around the adjective that compares to in this section and then compares more than two in this section. So Andrew is taller than Dave. Well, here's our two things we're comparing, Andrew and Dave. And what's the word that describes them? An adjective. What are they saying that they are? They're tall, right? And says Andrew is taller. Comparing two different things. So we had The mouse is smaller than the rabbit. So we're comparing a mouse and a rabbit. And what about the mouse and the rabbit? Yeah, they're small, but the mouse is smaller. Okay. Tuesday was the warmest of the past 3 days. Oh, and today is Tuesday. Man, that's kind of crazy. Okay, so what do you think? Tuesday and 3 other days. That's comparing more than just two things. And so it's going to be warmest. Okay. And then down here, they're going to tell you how to mark how many are being compared. So spot and mutt. Is that two things or more than two things? Yeah, two things. The black monkey is the loudest of all the monkeys. Let's see. One monkey here and all the monkeys. That's quite a bit. And it gives you a clue since it says EST. So it's going to be more than two. Okay? And I think you'll do just fine on the back of this. Yeah, I think you'll be okay on this one too. And on this one, you get to write two adjectives for a snake. So you might do like smooth or sneaky or green or long or skinny. Any of those would be fine. Okay? All right, guys. Bye.